Imagine two companies trying to sell the same product online. One constantly shows ads saying, "Buy our product now." The other publishes helpful videos, guides, and articles that teach people how to solve problems related to that product. Over time, people begin to trust the second company more because it provides value before asking for a sale. This approach is known as content marketing, one of the most powerful strategies in modern digital marketing. Content marketing focuses on creating and sharing valuable, relevant, and consistent content that attracts and engages a specific audience. Instead of directly pushing products, companies provide useful information that educates, entertains, or solves problems for potential customers. This could include blog posts, videos, podcasts, tutorials, case studies, or social media content. The goal is to build trust and authority so that when customers eventually decide to buy, they naturally choose the brand they already trust. One of the biggest advantages of content marketing is that it supports long-term customer relationships. When people repeatedly find helpful information from a brand, they begin to see that brand as a reliable source of knowledge. For example, companies like HubSpot built their entire marketing strategy around publishing educational content about marketing, sales, and business growth. Over time, millions of people started visiting their website to learn, which naturally led many of those visitors to become customers. Content marketing also works closely with search engine optimization, SEO. When companies publish useful content that answers common questions, search engines are more likely to show that content to users searching for related topics. For example, someone searching for how to start a small business might find a helpful article or video created by a company that provides business tools or services. Another well-known example is Red Bull, which transformed itself into a media brand through content marketing. Instead of constantly promoting its energy drink, Red Bull produces extreme sports videos, documentaries, and events that attract millions of viewers around the world. The content is exciting and entertaining, and the brand becomes associated with adventure and energy without directly pushing the product. Content marketing is effective because it shifts the focus from selling to providing value first. In an environment where consumers are constantly exposed to advertisements, people are more likely to engage with brands that help them learn something or solve a problem. By consistently creating meaningful content, businesses can attract audiences, build credibility, and eventually convert those audiences into loyal customers. In today's digital world, content has become one of the most important tools for building relationships with customers. Brands that educate, inspire, or entertain their audiences often gain long-term trust and visibility in the market. This is The Learning Studio, and in the next episode, we will explore how brands build massive audiences and influence through social media marketing.